A unit vector perpendicular to the surface x square plus y square plus z square equal to 3 at the point 1, 1, 1. Right. Again, what is surface equation is phi. If I keep a surface equation is phi, then how can I represent phi? Phi is equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus 3. Now, what is the unit vector perpendicular? If a surface here and a unit vector perpendicular to it, what? That means it has the direction of gradient phi, right? Then unit vector is equal to n cap is equal to this divided by its modulus, right? Then what is gradient phi? I cap dou by dou x plus j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z of gradient this function x square plus y square plus z square minus 3. Alright, that is x square when we do 2x I cap here 2y j cap here 2z k cap. At triple 1 this is I cap x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1. Then this is 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap, right? Now what is its modulus, right? Alright, modulus is square root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, right? That is 4 plus 4 plus. So you can write this as I cap plus j cap plus k cap divided by 2 square come out, that is 2, 2 all cancel, then here only remaining is root 3. Then which come? That is x cap, I cap plus j cap plus k cap by root 3. Notation used it is x cap, y cap, z cap. Then option D is correct, right?